The application goes as follows. Mr. Ebudu Luis on 2 capital with a total worth of 5,400,000 is the total capital. The ratio of the first capital to that of the second capital is 5:4. This is both capitals are invested at the same annual rate and are respectively invested within 108 days and 72 days. The sum of interest produced is 483,000. Required. Calculate the value of both capitals. That's require A. And require B. Calculate the rate and the interest of these capitals. Solution. The first step, we say let the capital. You determine your capital. Let the capitals be A and B. It can be any number. It can be X and Y, it can be Z and Y, anything that you wish. Let the capital be A and B. They told us here that the total, that he owns 2 capital with a total worth of 5,400,000, which means A plus B is equal to 5,400,000. And they say the ratio of the first capital to that of the second capital is 5:4. That means A is to B is equal to 5:4. Then you say sum of ratio is equal to 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. First determination of capitals. Without forgetting your interest, they say the sum of interest produced is interest of A plus interest of B is equal to 483,000. Determination of capital. Now you can easily determine your capital because you're given the ratio of your capitals. So you take A's capital is equal to 5, which is its ratio, divided by 9, the sum of ratio, times the sum of the capital. 5,400,000. Let's all take our calculator and calculate. Let's go together. 5 divided by 9 times 5,400,000 is given 3 million. It's equal to 3 million francs. This is A's capital. Now to calculate B's capital is equal to 4 divided by 9 times 5,400,000. You know, you can easily have it. Take 4 divided by 9 times 5,400,000. It's equal to 2,400,000. Also, to calculate B capital, you say or B's capital is equal to, you take the total sum, which is 5,400,000 minus A's capital, 3 million, which is equal to 2,400,000. What we're supposed to say is A. A is equal to, because we're going to define our capital of them. So it is A is equal to B is equal to so that's the capital. That's both capital of A and capital of B. Where in such a way that if you take 2,400,000 plus 3 million, it will give you the total capital, which is 5,400,000. Then the next step we're going to do now is to determine calculate the rates. And the rate we need both capitals, we need the capitals and the interest. calculate the rate. They gave us the total interest. I know they say if interest is equal to capital times time times rate or n, can use n or t, depends on you. The dates, it was given in days divided by 36,000. A, we say NA for the first one is equal to 108 days, and NB is equal to 72 days. So better make this N here. Alright, that's it. You now say, and they gave you the sum. You say the interest of A is equal to the capital of A, which is 3 million, times the number of days of A, which is 108, times the rate, which we do not know, times the rate, all over 36,000, which now therefore means the interest of A is equal to 3 million times 108 divided by 36,000 is equal to 900. We put it in red so that we easily identify it. 9,000 hours is equal to 9,000 hours. And we say the interest of B is equal to 2,400,000 times the number of days, that is 2, times the hour, which we do not know, divided by 26,000. We give 2,400,000 times 72 divided by 36,000. Will give us 4,800 hours. So therefore, in interest of B is equal to 4,800 hours. But we were being told that the sum of the interest is 483,000. Therefore means 9,000. We say, let us say if IA plus IB is equal to 483,000. Therefore means this is IA, which is the 9,000 hour. 9,000 hour plus 4,800 hour. 4,800 is equal to hour and is equal to 483,000. Therefore means 9,000 plus 4,000 is 18,800. R is equal to 483,000. Making R the sum of the formula, we divide both sides by 13,800. So 13,800 R divided by 13,800 is equal to 483,000 divided by 13,800. So R is equal to, let us calculate 483,000 divided by 13,800. R is equal to 35%. Okay, we have our interest. Our interest rate was 35%. So they said determine, we should determine our interest. So we have to determine the interest produced by A and the interest produced by B. So we already have our formula. Interest is equal to C times N times R by 36,000. Because the N was in days, do not forget. Because the N was in days. So we say interest of A is equal to, I mean, put in more determination of A's interest. is equals to capital A 3 million times the L 108 and times the R constant 35 divided by 36,000 is equals to 3 million times 108 times 35 divided by 36,000. It will give us 305,000 francs. There will be determination of B's interest. The interest of B is equal to capital 2,400,000 times 72 days times 35% of 36,000. So the interest of B is equal to 2,400,000 times 72 times 35 divided by 36,000. We will 168,000 francs. For you to know whether you're correct, if you add this plus this, you must give you this. Let's try. 3,115,000 plus 168,000, 483,000, which is this. So that proves that we are correct. Also, you do not change, you do not divide this spread by 100 because you have already times 100 here. How many days are there in a year? 360 days according to the business. According to the business law, is 360 days. Multiplied by 100, which is a percent, will give you 36,000. So you don't need to divide again here. Because if you divide it by 100, you divide it by 360 and not 36,000. So that is that for the application. I hope it is well understood. I hope everything is okay. I hope you enjoy it, and I wish to see you back next time. We will end here for today, and in our next class, we are going to see compound interest. We are going to see some stuff in compound interest introduction and minor some examples. So that's that. And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, and do not forget to place your comments to see so we can be able to tell you where we went wrong and we can be able to arrange it. Thank you once more. Bye bye.